What is up, guys? It's your boy Dave here, and I am back here with another food review. This time I'm gonna be eating a Margherita pizza. Now, how will it taste? I don't know. Let's find that out soon. Now I'm just gonna walk to whatever location I feel like, and yeah, I don't know why, I just do in different locations. Just keep it all fresh. No. Let's see where this is. Oh, found a new place. Now, something new I'm going to be doing in these videos is probably a question of any day, you know, or whatever I feel like asking you guys during these videos. So, one question I am asking you guys is, what YouTuber would you guys recommend me watching, or foods you recommend me trying, or some shit like that? Because, you know, I'm trying to make more videos, of course. But anyways, let's get to the food review. Alright, guys, I am here at this monument here. I'm about to eat some pizza, I guess. Alright, opening this up. Let's see, we got the good stuff here. Right. This is some good pizza.
Say hi. Say hi.
I give this here 5 out of 5 actually. It's actually pretty good. And even though there's a lack of cheese, it's still a win. In my eyes, at least. Now that is all. So, I hope you like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Bye.
Dave Gang, out.